Ever feel like your controller is fighting against you during an intense session? Slippery grips and laggy connections can ruin a win. Today at 5 Star Gadget Gallery, we're looking at a solution that's as bold as it is functional, the Xbox wireless controller in Velocity Green. The first problem it solves? Hand fatigue. If you've dealt with controllers that feel like soap after an hour of play, you'll appreciate the textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and back case. It keeps your hands locked in place so you can stay focused on the game, not your grip. Another common headache is switching between devices. This isn't just for consoles. Thanks to Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology, you can pair it instantly with your PC, Android phone, or even your tablet. It's one controller for your entire gaming setup, eliminating the need for multiple expensive gamepads. For those who struggle with precise movements in shooters or racing games, the hybrid D-pad and refined analog sticks offer that extra bit of control. Plus, with the dedicated share button, you can capture your best moments without diving into messy menus. And when you need to stay wired or charge up, the USB-C connectivity has you covered. If you're looking to upgrade your setup with a controller that solves the slip and lag struggle while looking incredible, the Velocity Green Edition is a top-tier choice. What's your biggest gaming pet peeve? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gadget solutions.